got that blue fever, cold air.
Sugar daddy. These are so, let me do like a YouTuber. We're going to Target. So the shorts type romper. It's tied. Glasses, Shein, they're the cutest. Earrings, Kate Spade. Necklace, Coach. It just got me. What else? Where can this back?
I got that blue fever, cold as ice till you came near.
I'm going to get some stuff at Target and at Walmart. I wanted to go to the handbag museum today, but I think we're a bit late. It's 3:30 and they close at 4, so I'm gonna have to go there tomorrow. But I wanted to show you my outfit. Let me show you my outfit. Oh, glasses, Shein, they're the cutest. Earrings, Kate Spade. Necklace, Coach. Handbag, thrifted from Japan. My top is Adidas times Stella Rosa, and it's really cute in the back. I don't know if the design is showing properly. Editing D coming in real quick. I don't know why I was saying Stella Rosa. I was obviously thinking about wine, but it's Stella McCarthy. The collaboration for the t-shirt is Stella McCarthy. And please don't come for me about Target. Please do not come for me about Target. This is an old video, okay? But I wanted to see what Target had to offer, and that's why we went there. But I really love the hygiene products from TJ Maxx. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And their sales are really, really good. Enjoy the video. Shorts is Gap. And I have on my family sandals, but I'm going to put on my Tommy Hilfiger sandals going out. And we're going to Target to get some stuff, and then Walmart. Yeah, let's go. Lipstick is 100 yen shop in Japan. Yeah, Target. My lady was like, girl, your outfit is cute, you look cute. And I do believe her, I do look cute. The lighting is off. She was like, girl, my outfit is cute, you look. Alright, so what?
I'm not gonna lie, I feel the vibes, but I'm not the time. I know you're late for
So they had this dress here for like $15 on clearance, but I wish it was in the beige, but I only have it in extra large in the beige. Let me step back so you can actually see it. That sucks. What does it have on clearance? They can fit me. Oh, $12 shorts. Love that. Let me see what size. The small look like it could have fit me. Let's try it on.
Got that blue fever, cold as ice till you came.
I won't
lie, Target I had a lot of options, but I will say that their sale prices are not that silly because the cute stuff are not really affordable, so to say. I don't know, maybe other people find it better, but this store I didn't really find some really cute stuff at an affordable cost. You know me, I like to shop in the sale section, clearance section for the down low. But I did find some cute things like that yellow shorts is a linen blend. 10 out of 10. I still have it right now. The dress, I really love the dress. It was in beige, but it was just oversized. This top, I still have it. I want to resell it if anyone is interested in it. It's really cute, but it's just not for me. It's kind of really tight. I should have gone a size up. Anyways, let's move on. We got some stuff I want to try. So we're looking at the shoes that shoes that I have. I'm not seeing any that grabs my attention. These are some gold slide-ons, but that's a small. Big size 8. We came in TJ Maxx. Still got some stuff, but I really wanted this Rio de Janeiro. So I smelled this one is really good, the vanilla potion, and the Ariana Grande is nice as well. I tried this one. I sniffed my hand again. This one, the bottle is cute, but it's not really what I'm going for. Alright. Nice little top. Body butter. There's a body butter. I'm gonna scrub. Body wash, coconut melon, moisturizer, body scrub. This is eucalyptus mint infused with vitamin E. Ooh, I think I'm gonna do this. It's a scented body scrub. Alright, so we take up these. Body scrub, sugar coated. Ooh, this sounds good. I wonder how much for it. In TJ Maxx, I'm looking for some stuff. I found this that I want to try. Is eucalyptus and mint infused with vitamin E. Body scrub, honey pots, wipes. And I'm looking for. I saw this one, Heritage by Minden Nights, sugar coated body scrub. This was $5. Enriched with ginger root extract and sweet almond oil. Our body scrub rejuvenates and gently buffs away, build up while leaving skin feeling renewed, exfoliated. Fragrance infused with eucalyptus and peppermint essential oils. This sounds good as well. You know, I'm a body scrub girly. Oh wow, rose and aloe. No, I don't know which one to choose. And I have this one as well. Branding exfoliating nourishing for all skin types. This is pink grapefruit. Wow, wow, wow. Peppermint cream. Alright. Is that coconut vanilla body wash? Let me need a scrub. I have coconut vanilla body wash. Ooh, we love a good sugar scrub. Alright, we're going to go here and see. They said I have soul food, so let's go and try it. I just knocked my head out. My head is hurting me. Alright, so we're going to try the coconut tiger. Oh, that's good. Alright, so the coconut is pretty good. Alright, so we went with coconut tiger and pineapple. Alright, so we got pineapple is the white, and then coconut tiger is the pink color. And it's really good. Taste. This is good. This is really good.
I got that blue fever.
Hi guys. So we're back off the road. We bought food, but it's really cold right now. God damn. The french fries is cold. What about fried chicken and mac and cheese? Let me try the fried chicken. Not bad. I'm gonna repeat it. The french fries are extremely cold, so they're not that good. Let's show you what I bought today. So I bought this from Walmart. I need like extra moisture for my skin because my skin seems really dry. So I bought the Dr. Teal's moisturizing bath and body oil moisture, and it's coconut oil plus essential oil, so that's pretty good. I went to TJ Maxx and I got some honey pot wipes. I want to try those. And I bought this Dr. Teal, and it was like a $5, and the honey pot was for $7. And then I bought another body scrub, Heritage sugar coated body scrub, mint and yuzu, and it was like for $5. Me just got me. What else? Where carry this back? Stick the finger in it. Someone stick the finger in it. That's weird. That's weird, bro. From Target. But I'll show you that later. I'm hungry and I'm going to eat, and I'm disappointed by that thing later. Not a whole bag, but it's not my stuff. A few stuff in it. This is mine. A few stuff in it is mine. Not a lot of stuff is not for me. So let me show you what is mine and what that. So first I got some Marina. I got some Marina, and it's by A New Day, and it was like $8. Marina. And I got a size small. These are all very thin. And then I got another one. This is with sleeve, and it's $6. White shirt. You can never go wrong with white shirts. I love white. It's a white top, so it's extra small because they're kind of big. And then I got a blue one, same $6. Yeah. And then I got this yellow shorts, so cute. I was seeing in the store, like I brought back this cute yellow skirt, Zara skirt, from Japan, but it can't fit me. Can't fit me across my thighs. Yeah, with the lights a bit dim. Yeah, but anyways, this is the shorts. It's kind of linen blend, somewhat. Linen and rayon blend. Lino, size 8. It was originally $25, and it was on sale for $12.50. Cute. So I got this yellow shorts. I got this top because it's supposed to go to a party in Memphis, I think, and I think the top is really cute. It was $12, no $6. I'm going to put with some black shorts and probably some the H&M sandals, black sandals. I'm a Jackie bag. It's really cute, shiny. And then this was the most expensive one. It was like $30. It's a linen blend, I think. A linen blend. Jump romper. Linen blend. And it's linen. Yeah, linen blend. Linen and rayon. And this is how it's looking. So it's a shorts type romper. It's tied up. Anyways, so this is how it looks. This is how it looks. You can't really see clearly, but you catch the vibe. I'll be wearing it. And I think I'm going to style it with my Coach sandals, those heels. It look really cute with it. So yeah, that's what I bought at the store. That's what I bought from Target. Yeah. They're like a light shopping today. I cannot believe that the scrub open ginger root extract, sweet almond oil, wow, eucalyptus and peppermint essential oils. Like, I'm kind of on the fence. It's mint yuzu. I know somebody opened it just to like see how it smells, but I'm very conscious of that. Wow, I'll probably bring it back. Fast. Let me see their return policy. Wow. I want to get this exchange because I use my Japanese card. Just exchange it, like give me something else and take back this one that's open. Ooh, and I also got from TJ Maxx because I don't have any earrings. I really need to get some cute earrings. I got these. These are so, let me do like the YouTubers. These are so cute. These are kind of cute. Yeah, I got those as well. And these are like $10. So anyways, I got bed because I actually want to go into something fun tomorrow. I want to go to the bag museum, the handbag museum. And I'll probably carry this back. And what else is on tomorrow? The handbag museum. And I'm not sure what else, but yeah, tomorrow's supposed to be a fun day. I'm kind of excited about the handbag museum. Anyways, I am gone. Bye.
Nah, I feel the vibes, but I'm not the time. I know we are late, forgot catch up.